listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
Today we will be discussing regarding these things like agents, OSs. Today we are going to discuss regarding agents and SLS. Let me tell you what is an agent. First of all, let me tell you why we will use and where we will use the agents. Agents are a background processes which will be running on servers. Agent will run on server. Why do we require an agent? Let's think that there is a job that every week manager wants to see a weekly report, what the team has been performed. Then who will send him a report? Like every day at Monday morning at 9 o'clock, who will provide him a report? To keep one person right, to actually send that and prepare the report. Suppose every day at the end of the working hours, like around 5 o'clock. There must be one email like kind of status email that wants to be looked at by the manager. These are all repetitive jobs. These are boring jobs, correct? Sending a report, sending an email like same email every day or every month or every week, correct? Agents are background process. You need to configure an agent that it will invoke at that point of time. You need not tell that you have to come and execute. You understand what I'm trying to say. Any questions still here? Like, what I'm trying to say is like agents are background process, which will run on a server. Means you need to define some time, some day or something like that it will invoke at that particular time and day. Got it? Any question? Like suppose whenever your birthday is dead, you will get a system email, right? Like happy birthday. How you are getting? No one is going to send you manually, right? The system is sending. How it is sending? It is sending through agents. Is this fine? Any questions still here? Now few agents might be sending notifications and all. But few agents are like queue process. Few agents are like queuing. Like suppose you have got promoted from some manager level. From some role to you have changed your role. Now that role change must happen for all the employees, right? Not only you. Correct. Whoever got the promotion. So, like whoever got the promotion, like everyone must, their role has to be updated with a new role, right? A promoted role. What they will do is like they will trigger an agent inside an agent. See, agent is nothing but a shell kind of thing, which will invoke an activity only. It will invoke an activity only but at the correct point of time, it will invoke a. Now for this requirement, what you will do? You will do obj open. You will get all that. First of all, you will do obj browse. Browse. We will fetch multiple records. And from obj browse, you will do obj open. On each and every record, you will open the record. You will update. You will do property set. You will update the role. And you will do obj save. Correct. Is this correct? Or do you want me to repeat one more time? What I am trying to say is very simple. Agents are like background processors. You need to configure date and time that it will invoke. Go to it Dev Studio. Can you reload once? Just reload. You will get the left panel. Again switch. Click on records. Expand technical or sysadmin. Expand technical. If I am not wrong, is there any agent? Expand sysadmin. Second one. A. You open any one of the agent. You can see the configuration. You can click on any one of it. This is an agent rule. Inside this agent rule, you have many jobs are getting running. If you see the first one, let's talk about first one. It is a recurring. See the pattern. The third column you can observe. That is a recurring. The third column pattern is recurring. And you see the fourth one, that is advanced. It is there. Click on the advanced. That agent is a recurring agent. It will run every weekly on Sunday. It will do that particular job at that time period which we have specified. Got it. We can set as per our requirement, like daily, right? As per our requirement, you will set the things. Apart from this, like we have also daily, right? You can do. It will do at that particular point of time. You cancel this one. Click on that. Below you have see periodic means it is asking for the seconds. If you keep recurring, it is asking some advanced configuration. You understand what is happening here? The third agent is running it every 60 seconds. The third is there, a property operator that is running it every 60 seconds. Agents are nothing but a shell kind of thing. If you really expand that third one, can you expand the third one? We have that expand icon, right? On the first starting itself, you have on 3. You will have that agent activity. Activity name. Agent is nothing but a shell kind of thing, which will run this activity at the end, but it will run automatically at the time period which we have specified. You understand what I am trying to say? Agents are background process which will run on a server. No one will come and run. It will automatically execute. whenever that particular time period was achieved. And it will run the activity which was mentioned inside this. You understand? Just a counter question. Let's say, if there is any report where there is a need, that report gets twice a day or thrice a day after or twice a day after 12 hours of interval. How will be the way to connect with that specific report, because I can see all details are related to agent, like agent name, associated with node type. That's a background processing pattern, interval. These are all the settings related to the agent. But how we actually establish the connection for that respective report, that specific report only gets repressed, that entire logic you have to write in your activity. Agent is like tool which will run that activity. We need to specify this agent name in that activity coding. Agent name will not specify. You will create one agent rule, and inside the tag agent, you will configure one activity. In that activity, you will configure everything which report which it has to invoke. Agent is like a shell which will inside the agent rule we need to specify that activity. Correct. That's what you are doing, right? For the third one, if you expand second one, there is a different agent activity. That specifying class name is nothing but it is actually nothing but activity class, in which class you are creating an activity. That is a particular class. Now I got the. Any question in detail? We will be discussing. Don't worry. And what exactly? Pet methods. That one. If you click on it, are like activity parameters. What are the activities expect? Those are that parameters. You can click on cancel. Actually, you will not configure anything. Let me tell you that we have two types of agents. Based on a processing type, we have two types of agents. One is like job schedulers, and another is like processor. Or you can say standard agent and advanced agents. We have two types of agents. One is a standard agent. One is a standard agent. One is an advanced agent. What is a standard? What is an advanced? If suppose, just listen carefully here. You have a simple task to send an email. Just an email. In that scenario, you are going to use just a simple thing. You need to trigger one email. In that scenario, you will use advanced agent. Most of the times, you will use advanced agent. Suppose you have a task to update any operators, work object, or you have a task to update some case ID, some bug. If you are doing any manipulation to the data, then you will use standard agent. You understand what I am trying to say? I will tell you the reason. First thing is like if you are making any JIT to database records, or if you are manipulating any data in the background, you will use standard agents. If you are sending just a monthly report or any emails, notification. If you are using those kind of stuff, you will be using advanced agent. Is it clear till now which task should be used by which agent? Which agent? Clear? Now I will tell you. We lose in this manner. You can also you, you can also use it vice versa. But in case of advanced agent, if something fails, like if suppose one email notification got failed, you will be handling it manually. The error handling must be done on your own. But in case of standard agent, if suppose you are actually modifying a DB record, that record you got some error and the job got failed. Then in standard agent, there is an advantage of auto queue management. There is an auto queue management for standard agent. What is an auto queue? Auto queue management. The broken item, whatever the broken items are there. What other failed jobs are there? It will requeue in the sense it would try executing that one more time. You understand? Is it kind of loading? And where and how we are going to realize that now we need to use that, or that will be taken care by if suppose one record got failed. Whenever that failure happen, that record will be stored in a different table. That is a broken items table. Broken items table contains only broken items. Whatever the fair are there, it will recur these broken items. Queue in the sense it will again start working on these broken items. These normal items are done. The error handling is actually taken care by Pega. You need not configure your error handling. Of advantage, there is no auto management. If some got failed based on a business requirement, you have to do. These are the background process. Realize that stuff completely background will not relax. We need take actually relax, because actually the developer has to know what are the broke, how many got processed, how many got failed. There is a separate which student in there is student right at student ability. Sir, student there available first set for click. If you saw, this is an overview in the sense when you suite available. That call there, right? 8. Running background application. Click whenever. Click. Press is there is coming. Look left. Which running dot except notification setting belong there. Pro process back. Click. Click. Come there. Back. Right. Right. Left. Where click agent category request draw actually system with cap screenshot something means broke it fit uh, and standard actually. No, that is a Pega 7 version. That is this. That is Pega 7 version in. You can see, you can go like that also. Can you click on the 7th version screenshots? No, this the 7th. Click on the screenshot, not this. On this. 1 sec. Let's see calm down broken queue. Calm down, calm down, calm down. No, not this one. The 7th version screenshot. I am telling it, the black color one, this one, click on that. Here 1 second. I think this path was now removed. Let me check once application process and rules tools. Go to your Dev Studio. One second, click on Configure Top Header. You have considered header. 1 second. I'm not able to see 1 second. No top header. You have Apple. One field. Do you have process and hover on application and then tools. No tools will be presented most of the times. In case management also, you have tools. Go to case for over on case management. I have tools right. Go to the tools work admin and then you see the tool process and rules. Here you have write broken queue items. You just see whether you have that option. That is in 7th version, might be that case management. No case management process and rule is the case. First of all, application process, but process and rules inside that only have case management. I think that names would changes case management and then tools and then my work. Admin here. I'm not seeing that work queue. I think it was more to admin studio. In Pega version, it might be more to admin studio. My word, it's like it will be present in admin studio, but the broken items are the items which got failed. You can see actually those items will get requeued automatically in case of a standard agent, but in case of advanced agent those will not happen. Their handling has to be done manually based on business requirement. Any question? Till now, which version? It is 5. In 8, any 8 version you can see, but this black screenshot is around the 7th version. I'll show you in the next session if it's possible. I think no salad conversation. Now those are all not the cut. You have to go through the advanced that admin studio. That is very easy. You will get something for broken items. If you click on that broken items, it will display all the items. If I search here, I'll not get it. No, you will not get, you will not. That is a rule. Search, you will not take it. You understand what is an agent. And we have two types of agents, standard agent and advanced agent. An agent is a background roster here, like which will be running on a server. This will run on a server. Suppose your application is present on 2, 3 servers, that is, this agent will be running on every server, each and every server. One agent only will be running on every server. Is that clear in a question? And will be. And there is an SLA, service level agreement. Service level agreement. Shall we start it today? Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@upptalk.com.